Meaning of doubtfully.
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 Doubtfully. Doubtfully is an adverb that means to do something in a doubtful or uncertain manner, indicating a lack of confidence or certainty about something. When someone performs an action doubtfully, they are typically hesitant, indecisive, or skeptical about what they are doing. This can lead to a lack of clarity or conviction in their actions and decisions, making it difficult to achieve their goals or objectives. It is important to overcome doubt and uncertainty in order to make confident and effective choices in life.